Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets Akumal Resort and Spa. Set on the beautiful Akumal Bay, one of the best beaches in all of Mexico. This particular category is a preferred club junior suite swim out. I love any swim out category, especially one that's just steps from the ocean. Let me show you what this room's all about before we head out and check out the pool. As soon as you walk in the door here to my right, you're gonna have your closet. You've got storage over to the left, but right here you have this unique feature of the Secrets box. So they can deliver room service right through here from the outside. It's locked on the outside, and then you grab it whenever you're ready. Find it to be very convenient to not to have to rush over to get the door for room service. You've got your safe up here, storage above, and then you have your iron and ironing board. You've got your robe and slippers, and I highly recommend that you take those up to the spa. Check out the spa. It's an incredible thing here at the resort, but you can see that and every single space, including the beautiful beach, on our full resort tour if you want to check that out. So now we're going to head into the bathroom, and before we do, I just wanted to point out that this door does shut for an extra level of privacy. You've got your double vanity right here. You're also going to have your amenity kit right in the middle. You're going to have an upgraded one because this is a preferred club room. Underneath you have storage, you're gonna have your scale and your hair dryer as well. So now we're gonna head into the shower. You've got a nice large rainforest shower head up above. You've got a nice bench seat here and also a shower wand that you can adjust at the height that you prefer. The toilet is here to the left. You've got a little bench seat and also a large mirror to get ready. Now this resort is all about romance. It is adults only, and they pulled out every stop, including this beautiful, huge double jacuzzi soaking tub. Okay, I did want to point out that you have this curtain here that you can have a little extra privacy if you would like. And then here to the left, you've got your temperature controls, a hang-up rack, and then right next to your bed, you're going to find 2 US plugs. I love that. I always bring an extra USB splitter. I can plug it in and charge all of my devices in the evening. You've got your remote control and a little storage underneath. And as we wrap around the front of the bed, you also have this nice long bench, perfect for luggage when you're unpacking, and then also perfect to sit on and tie your shoes to head out. You've got your extra plug over here, a little bit more storage, and then continuing along at the foot of the bed, you're gonna find your Nespresso maker. You have the Nespresso pods, you can have that replenished as often as you like, and then you're also gonna have some upgraded snacks and alcohol amenities because it is a preferred club room. Just down here to my right, you'll find the mini bar. It is fully stocked when you arrive. You can have them stock it however you like and as often as you like during your stay. On the left-hand side here, you'll find the daybed couch. You also have a nice seat or ottoman right here in the middle. And over on this side, you'll have your writing desk. You've got some charging stations in the corner. And then I just wanted to point out, this is actually the control for the fan. I love that they have a fan in here. I think that every single room should. Keeps the air moving. You also have this great tablet feature. This has essentially replaced the resort guide. So you can think of it as where you can find your different menus for the restaurants, information on the spa, information on the resort itself. But what I primarily use it for is ordering room service. I love that idea. You can order right on here. They'll deliver to your Secrets box, and you don't have to have any of that interaction. You can just totally relax and do it at your own pace. So now we're out on the large patio. You've got your table and 2 chairs right here. Perfect place for that coffee in the morning or room service. And then over on my left, you have the large sofa daybed. Now what this particular space is all about is, of course, the swim up pool. Now this particular category is oceanfront, and the sand actually starts right in front of the pool itself. You've got this nice little privacy barrier that they put up. Just beyond it, you've got the palapas, and the ocean is just a few feet away. Now what's unique about this particular pool that I really like is it is a huge swim up pool, and it covers the entire length of the building. So you can step on out and lounge, relax, or maybe go for a little swim in the morning. They even provide these great floating loungers right here. You can stick those out and really enjoy your time in paradise. Now I wanted to point out that this is a preferred club room, so in addition to the amenities inside, you're gonna have access to the preferred club lounge throughout your stay. They've got a great upgraded bar menu. It's where they're gonna check you in. And they also have light bites throughout the day and extra concierge services that you can take advantage of. In addition to that, you also have access to the hydrotherapy pool at the spa. You get 1 complimentary up there. But what this room is all about, I know I've said it a couple times, but it's being right on the ocean. I can walk just a few steps and I'm at the beautiful beach at Akumal Bay, one of the absolute best in all of Mexico. So when you're ready to book this beautiful swim out suite or any suite at Secrets or Dreams, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we can create the vacation of a lifetime for you and your friends at an incredible value.